Yung substances natin can be classified as either base or acids. So, may tatlong tao na nag-define kung ano yung base at acid. Si Arrhenius, Bronsted-Lowry, and si Lewis. First muna si Arrhenius. Sabi niya na ang acid daw forms H plus when mixed with water, while ang base forms OH minus when mixed with water. So, ibig sabihin, kapag may substance ka na imimix mo sa tubig, kapag ito ay bubuo ng H plus ions, acid ka. Pero pag ang nabuo nito ay mga OH minus na ions, ay base ka. Okay, so halimbawa ng acid ay hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, while mga halimbawa naman ng base ay sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. So by mata-mata, madali lang ma-identify which is which. OH and H. So for Bronsted-Lowry, either proton donor or proton acceptor ka. So para mas madaling i-remember, 'di ba kapag acid ka, bubuo ka ng H+, bumuo ka ng H+, nag-form ka ng H+. So question, are you a proton donor or are you a proton acceptor? You are a proton donor, H+. Okay? So, yung base, kabaliktaran lang yan. So, proton acceptor to. Make sense? Kay Lewis naman, ay either electron pair acceptor or donor ka. So, kapag base ka, di ba bubuo ka ng OH minus? OH minus. So, question, are you an electron pair donor or acceptor? Electron pair donor ka kasi nag-form ka or bumuo ka ng OH minus, negative. Okay? So ito, kabaliktaran lang. So electron pair acceptor. Okay? So ito naman class, mga common facts lang for objective type of questions. Yung acid sour taste and changes color of litmus from blue to red, while yung base ay bitter taste and changes the color of litmus from red to blue. So, for this topic, may 3 formulas kayo na dapat i-memorize. pH is equal to negative log of H+, POH is equal to negative log of OH minus, and pH plus POH is equal to 14. Etong bracket na to, meaning yan ay concentration. Okay, so ngayon kukunin natin yung range ng pH and POH values of acid and base. So, pH value muna tayo ni acid. So, di ba? Kapag acid, H+. So, mataas yung concentration ng H+ mo. So, logarithm of a large value is mataas. Multiply it with a negative ay bababa. So, yung pH ng acid ay less than 7 or mababa lang. Pero kapag base ka, yung H+ na concentration mo ay mababa. Kasi 'di ba pag base ka, OH minus yung na-form mo, hindi H+. So again, kapag base ka, yung H+ concentration mo is mababa. So logarithm of a small value is small or negative. Multiply mo ng negative, magiging positive, so tataas. So kapag base ka, yung pH value mo ay mataas or greater than 7. Next is POH values naman. So kapag acid ka, yung OH minus mo ay maliit kasi 'di ba H+ yung na-form mo. So logarithm of a small value is small or negative. Multiply mo ng negative, magiging positive, so tataas. So kapag acid ka, yung POH value mo ay mataas or greater than 7. Last is POH value ng base. So kapag base ka, mataas yung concentration mo of OH minus. So, logarithm of a large value ay malaki. Multiply mo ng negative sign, magiging negative, so bababa. So, kapag base ka, yung POH value mo ay mababa or less than 7. So, let's try to solve one problem. Calculate the pH of NaOH solution with a concentration of 4 times 10 raised to negative 3 molar. So take note ha, may tatlong formulas tayo. pH is equal to negative log H plus, POH is equal to negative log OH minus, and pH plus POH is equal to 14. So first step. First step is POH is equal to negative log of 4 times 10 raised to negative 3 molar. Ma'am, bakit POH yung gamit mo? Na pH value yung required sa problem. So take note, yung pH and POH na formulas ay same lang. So kahit na pH value yung tanong, yung unang makukuha mo na value ay ang POH kasi yung given ay NOH, OH, base. So yung 4 times 10 raised to negative 3 molar na concentration class, ay yan yung concentration ni OH minus. Okay? So solving for that, we get POH is equal to 2.4. So again, remember class, diba? Kapag base ka, yung POH value mo ay less than 7. So, tama to kasi 2.4 is less than 7. Next is gamitin natin itong formula na ito. pH plus POH equal to 14. So, to get the value for pH value, we have pH is equal to 12 minus POH. That is equal to 11.6.